5'6", who it is with them Tim's on. I need 45,000 to sing songs. Now they mad cause they bitch gon' sing along. You ain't gotta worry, homie, I just wanna be alone. 5'6", who it is with them Tim's on. I need 45,000 to sing songs. Now they mad cause they bitch gon' sing along. You ain't gotta worry.
What it is? Today, some more work on the GLI. So when I first bought this bad girl, none of the steering wheel controls worked. The horn didn't work, and the airbag light was on, and my paddle shifters didn't work as well, which led me to believe that the clock spring was messed up. So I went ahead and I purchased a new one. There's the part number there, and as you see, it's legit from Volkswagen. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and swap this out. Down here, you pull this lever down, there would be a little T20 screw up in here. Then you take a plastic trim tool to get this top part loose. The bottom won't come out yet. As you see, there's another Torx bit right there, probably another T20 or T25, one there and another one on this side here. As far as getting the actual airbag out, if you guys see this here, that's a little clip that you got to take a flathead and push down while pulling on the airbag. So I'm showing you guys that. There's one on this side, then you turn the wheel all the way to the right and you'll see the other side. Of course, you see the hood is up, so that means the battery's disconnected. You want to be safe and disconnect the battery, that way the airbag don't blow up in your face while you're trying to work on it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can pry this airbag out right quick, and then I'll get back to you guys, because I'm gonna need both of my hands like I said. So yeah. Alright guys, so I got the airbag out. Just like I was saying, this is the clip here that I was talking about. You really just need to press down on one side and the whole, and just work it out. You won't even have to worry about the other side. They'll both just come right on out. Then of course you got your wires here, so be careful, don't yank it too hard. This black wire goes right down there in the bottom here, and then the yellow one goes there up top to the clock spring. So from this point you will need your 12 point to loosen this up, and then after that I'll update you guys to let you know what else you need to do. Alright guys, so I got that part loose. This is what I used here, T55. So yeah, make sure your steering wheel is loose. What I did was I took the key out, that way the steering wheel would lock, then broke it loose with just a regular old ratchet, then stuck the key back in and turned it to the on position to unlock the steering wheel. And as you can see, this is straight up now. So I just need to finish taking this bolt off to pull the steering wheel out. Boom, there you go. And as you guys can see, there is indentations there for the center on both the steering wheel and the steering knuckle or shaft or whatever you want to call this. So yeah, so from here you just pull the steering wheel off, and there you go. So let me set this off to the side. Okay, so like I said, there's the bits here for the bottom plastic on each side, so you take those out, and then you will see There's one there, there, and I think one more here in the center. So let me get these out and then I'll update you guys that step. Alright guys, so got the cover out. Now from this point on, just gonna do some more wiring. Got a safety tab here. That wasn't even pulled in for some reason. Pull that out. Release that. Black wire down here. Got another safety tab. Same thing. Pull that out. Lip. And there you go. So that's out. Now, like I said, there was 3 of those. And this replacement comes with those same wood screws. Here, so, which is awesome. So yeah, let me go ahead and loosen those screws out, pull that out, and compare the two. And as you see, the part number is there as well, so yeah, same part number and everything. So yeah. Alright you guys, so here's the new one here. And this is the old one. The exact same as you see when they're shipped. To keep it from getting messed up or going off center, it's got this little locking tab here put in, which is awesome. Quick tip before you guys completely pull this clock spring out. You see these 3 white plugs here. You have to remove those first. As you see the green little circuit boards there. So just be mindful. There's a little lip right here that you gotta just peel back and pull the wires out of. That's it, pretty simple. And all you do, just plop the new one on. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right quick off camera because I want to make sure, even though it's got that locking tab, I just want to keep everything straight. So I'm not sure if I mentioned it already or not, but these little silver screws here are T15. So alright guys, so got those T25 bits back in. So for the top piece, it's just a little J hook or whatever you want to call them. You just stick it in and plop it back down and it just clips in place. I still got the bottom bolt out, and I still got the steering wheel telescoping lock unlocked, so I could pull this all the way out to get this top piece in place correctly. So once I get all of this in, I'm gonna pull this out and go ahead and throw the steering wheel back on and lock that bad boy in. So yeah. Alright you guys, so it's the next day. Ran into a little bit of complications I was trying to figure out last night, but as you see right now, I got some lights on the dash that I gotta take care of, and I also gotta still mess around with the switches. I was messing around in my OBD11 and I think I ended up disconnecting these, but as you can tell, I do have everything working now. got a horn. So, and my paddle shifters do work. I tested those out yesterday. So I got to go back into my OBD11 and see what's up, because I should be able to switch between screens up here, but I ended up doing something in there, so I got to go back and figure out what I did, because now it's just stuck on this the Bluetooth screen, which I didn't have before because I wasn't able to connect since my steering wheel controls didn't work. So yeah. Alright guys, so found my other screens, as you see here. Finally got those back. So now, like I said in the last clip, my horn is working. Just got to get this airbag light going. Got to get the stabilization light. Yeah, as I was saying, those lights hopefully should clear by itself, since I had the battery disconnected with me driving it around and whatnot. Those sensors should clear themselves. So we shall see in the next couple days. But it's nice having a fully functional steering wheel now and a horn, because people in North Carolina cannot drive. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. Catch you in the next one. Be easy.
I don't wanna hear your lies, I'm too faded. I don't wanna take your calls when I'm wasted. Always wanna come inside when we raging. Late nights, living life like we famous. I don't wanna hear your lies, I'm too faded. I don't wanna take your calls when I'm wasted. Always wanna come inside when we raging. Late nights, living life like we famous. I put my Mac down, I put the top up. She has Chanel on.